Hello, Doohickeys You Need Inc. management team. I appreciate the opportunity to meet with you today. As your human resource manager, I'm excited to introduce you to the idea of our company having a relationship with a labor union. Over the past year, I've had the opportunity to learn a lot about the company, as well as identify some critical problem areas. These include management's unhappiness with the quality of its workers, unhappy and unmotivated employees, unsatisfactory retirement benefits for all employees, and a general lack of supportive, respectful, high-quality communication between management and other staff. You may think that what we've done in the past is working just fine, but the opposite is true. We need to address these by encouraging a labor contract for our workers. This would establish a set of workers' rights and procedures, outline a grievance or communication process, and set salary schedules as well as employee review processes. All of these items will address our critical needs. I have 4 simple solutions we would enjoy through a union contract with our workers. Number 1, worker job procedures are established, including rewards and consequences. The pros to this are providing clarity for employees and employer expectations and a process to follow when expectations are not met. Job procedures will be consistent for all workers, which will allow less product waste and increased safety. Providing employees who are high producers is a good way to improve morale and loyalty. The second solution is grievance procedures will be clearly outlined. And the benefits of that are workers would feel comfort that there's a fair process for voicing their grievances. Secondly, management has a clear path for dealing with questions and concerns before they balloon into more serious issues. Also, dealing with issues internally reduces the likelihood that outside professionals need to get involved, such as legal counsel. Employees will feel respected and included because they are informed and have a path of communication. The third solution is salary schedules would be set based on agreed upon parameters, such as skill level of work performed, seniority, and comparable salaries paid by local competitors. And the pros of that solution are that workers would be happy and confident that they are getting paid a fair wage. Management would be confident their wages are competitive. Worker longevity would increase, and the company would spend less on hiring and training new workers. And finally, wage gaps will be reduced, equalizing workers of all genders, racial profiles, or ethnicities. The fourth and final solution is a worker training program would be established for safety and advancement. And the advantages of that are workers will be better trained, work more safely, and avoid injuries. All staff would be held to a higher level of safety, reducing workers' compensation injury costs and potential time loss for workers. And because workers will contribute to the establishment of the training program, they will have more ownership and are more likely to support it. You may wonder if there are downsides of having unionized workers. There may be challenges such as having less flexibility for personalized work structures, but we will review the work plans regularly and make adjustments as needed. Management will likely need to spend more time meeting with workers and union representatives, but we can distribute those duties equally among our management staff. Even though payroll costs may increase, we will offset those costs by enjoying a reduction in the cost of manufacturing supplies due to less waste, and we will need to spend less money on recruiting, hiring, and training, as our employees will be happier, more loyal, and work more safely. I have worked with other companies who participate in the labor-union relationship, and they have been very successful. I look forward to answering any of your questions and working together to solve these critical problems. Thank you.